You guys know I'm going to record all of you now for an audio test for all this camera stuff.
We're going to continue our conversation, so I hope you enjoy.
And we are going to go to this easy level. Colleen and I have only played once. That's it. On one level.
So you're expert.
Yes.
Okay.
So here's the deal with this.
How do you play this game on our iPad? Do you just like back up and hit putt?
You hit the ball, so it's a race. There's two ways to score.
Oh, there's a race.
There's two ways to score. The first to the hole, you get more points that way, and the fewest times you hit your ball.
Oh.
So like normal golf plus race. So you get points two different ways. All right.
All right, gotta hit ready.
Who hasn't hit ready?
Oh, me. Sorry. I didn't realize I had hit ready.
She was so focused.
All right, so all you do is take the mouse and left click, and you like drag it. I think it's backwards.
I think
It's
it's
backwards. Yeah,
Okay.
you drag the mouse backwards. That's how hard you hit, and you let go, and you'll hit it. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm pointing it, of course.
All right.
Yeah. I don't have any
So
advice.
you can go
because
fast
I-
as you can, like 50
I
strokes.
just like that.
You can't swing as fast as you can because there's a timer on your stroke,
Oh, other way.
and you will hit other people's balls.
Why? How can I change my
Oh
orientation?
no! In the water.
No.
How do
Oh,
I
that
change
was
my
dumb.
orientation? Oh, there. Oh, got it.
You move the mouse around.
Thanks, Tyler. Ah! Yay! I am like,
Slewest guide.
no,
Did you land in the water?
go
Oh,
back
slow as
that
guys.
way. No, go back that way.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
The recoil is
I'm
bad,
in the water.
man.
Like when you hit something, you mean?
No, yeah, like when you hit the wall, like straight on, you like bounce.
Yeah.
away.
Imagine when
I
there's
know
8
you
people
do
because the
bounce.
balls
No,
have a collision
no,
on
no.
it. So if you're hitting each
That's
other's
your
balls all
cruelty
the
now,
time.
like.
Hit the blue thing in front of you. Oh, never mind.
Oh, are you guys all watching me? Just
Yeah, we're all
fail?
watching, yeah.
You guys, I'm
You got 30 seconds.
sorry about what's gonna happen. You're not gonna like it. I don't care.
It's all good, man.
Bounce off the blue machines.
You're doing great.
Swing hard at the blue machines.
Hold on, I've gotta get my orientation.
It's like pool.
No. Oh, I'm not good at that either.
Well, me neither, but...
I'm actually. Oh yeah! Yes.
In the
sweet.
drink.
See, I'm glad I gave you that advice.
I was trying to
Like
help you
when
out
you
here.
pop back up, you start rolling. It's like you don't even.
Oh nope, wrong way. Sweet.
You don't get a penalty for hitting the water though.
Yes, and down.
In the drink.
Did not finish.
Oh, sorry. Was I supposed to? Why did you guys have headphones on?
Because there's headphones you can put on.
If you want to go to here, the game.
They're
Oh, there's
underneath.
like music. Oh, do I have to play more of this? Oh, sorry. Whee! Oh, okay. Turn. Oh, I just hate
The balloons give you an extra swing of your golf ball. So you have to swing in the air.
Oh, wrong way.
Oh.
Wrong way.
Wow. That's...
No.
Oh. It's like sometimes you can
You're
shoot
hitting too
while
hard.
you shoot, but sometimes you can't.
So the timer, there's a timer. So swing, see that bar? Now shoot again, quick.
No.
So the red balloon
Yeah.
resets the timer.
Ow.
There we go.
Stop rolling. No.
There you go.
I mean, I can figure
You
this
want to
out
get while you're
eventually, but I don't.
airborne as much as
Do
possible.
it.
There you go. Jeez.
I am not here. Oh, I have to go over this hump too.
And when you hit the balloon,
Oh, you
gotta
guys,
do it
this is
again.
comical. You guys, guess what I'm not gonna do? Get it in the hole.
You can do it.
No, like this is beyond my skill set. I'm just gonna warn you.
You'll
I mean,
improve
you don't play
quickly.
PC games, do you?
No,
You
I
gotta
do not.
try to
play
get your
PC.
ball
I've never
caught
played
in a
PC
good
game.
spot.
Never in my life.
You're making forward progress.
No, I'm not. I'm not actually potentially.
You can do an angle shot here that would be successful.
Potentially trying. You only got 5
I have about 5 seconds. I'm not making it over that. Please, are you kidding? Aha!
Sudden death.
Sudden death with whom? Yourself?
Yeah, apparently. I'm. Oh, nope.
Does that mean there's another?
Yeah!
You are a DNF.
Ah,
Do I have to play the next one too? You
Yes.
guys, I'm not.
such a
I-
sleep.
You're getting better.
No, I'm. That's really kind of you to say. I appreciate
Oh, you knocked my ball.
that. Oh, no, other way. Go.
Oh, this isn't good, actually. Oh, I made that work. Oh, someone help me, but then I screwed up.
Hey, don't hit me, people.
No, that was good.
You guys are lucky I'm anywhere near this hole.
You're almost there.
Hey, did you just get in?
Why am I rolling? This is not like any bit of
Good
normal
job.
golf.
You got it.
No, it's
You got it, baby.
No,
definitely
it's
not.
not.
It's a race.
That's disgusting. This is not golf at all.
We have a more normal putt-putt game for you.
Yeah.
If you feel like this bastardizes the
You
rules
guys
of
don't
golf too
bother.
much.
Don't waste your time. I know you
No,
guys
the other
enjoy
one's
things
actually
like
way
this.
better.
This is not.
No, it's not. This one's better.
This
No.
This is the other one's
one-
probably easier for like a first time player.
That's
Of
right.
somebody who's never played a PC game before,
That's
besides
right.
like Myst, Ribbon. That's all I got. Whee!
Oh, I
All
overshot.
right, now remember once you hit the balloon, you got to swing again. Okay.
What? I've just.
Every time you hit the balloon, you got to swing again.
Why?
But you don't want to make it in the hole. It's like basically if you get like within a foot of it. It's
Well,
just like,
yeah. That's
If
why
that
it's
big
not
giant
at
balloon, you
all.
want to hit that thing.
Is red good?
Yes, hit it again.
Oh, red's
hit it
good.
again. Hit it again.
Oh, she made
Oh,
the
she
cross.
got it.
I thought I was aiming for green stuff, not red. Red's good. Well, that doesn't make any sense. Why didn't you tell me?
You're wearing a
All
red
of you.
cape.
All three of
You're
you.
You are wearing a red cape. That's true.
I'm wearing a red cape.
She's the bad guy from the
I
dark
think,
side
I
of the
think,
11
I think
shots.
I
Natalie's
took
coming to
11
game night
too.
next time.
Call me a bogey, guys.
A bogey.
Bogey.
Oh.
I think that's a DNF.
No, it DNR.
Oh, I false started.
I just like can't get my mouse orientation.
Oh man, that was dumb. Should have just wrote it down there.
That's what she said.
Oh shoot!
This way. And go back. Whee! Those things and hit those again. Where am I even going? Oh, there. Okay.
Oh
No. Okay, you gotta hit the balloon, huh? Okay.
No, no.
And then you need to swing again now. After you hit the balloon. Swing again, swing again,
Why?
swing again.
Why?
Good job, good job.
Oh, thank you. You're very
Now get ready quick.
encouraging, and
no!
I- Grass, help me. Why does this not have any
The grass
boundaries
usually would help
on
you right
it?
there, but
You got it. Yeah, that's right. That's
Teen
right.
shots, bitches.
It's a no.
So you
Nice.
get
It's
it.
a no.
You're welcome.
It's about.
Wait, why did it
600
only give
yards.
me 7? It's
600 yards
curving
in the
this
wind.
shit? Come on.
It's a no. It's
Oh,
going.
yeah,
Going.
It wants us to do
No,
what
it-
we're doing.
I false started
I
again.
do way worse. I
There's
want
a
to be
lot of
like the
false
all-time
starting.
worst player. I'm gonna, like, let me have my goal. I hit the balloon.
Oh, I tried to do a shortcut and failed.
oh,
Okay,
You
okay,
have to
okay,
actually,
okay,
like-
again. Slew! So I'm already awful.
True that.
Like, right, so don't knock me over.
Oh, that was a bad unlucky bounce.
Mine's a bad unlucky bounce. Come on.
easy kills for Slew wins.
That's Colleen.
Oh man, I
Dang it.
got it.
Like,
one
stop
time.
rolling. Like,
Right?
I'm rolling uphill forever. Just turn. Just
You,
stop.
you can swing again once the bars goes away, Zach. As soon as that bar's gone, you can hit
I
again.
know, but I'm trying to get the least amount of strokes, right?
Yeah.
Well, you want that and speed.
So you're going to get second place on strokes. So there you go.
I'm trying to use less strokes. If I'm not going to get there first, I need to get there.
Yeah, but you get
Really did.
like it's a tiered level, so it's not just first place for each. You get points for each based on your placement. All right, let's try this. Oh, in the water. In the
No.
drink.
Oh, stop rolling! My good God.
Oh,
This thing is so not like a golf ball.
Any love.
What?
Ah.
Ah,
Oh yeah, put me in there.
What?
Oh,
Stop rolling. Stop rolling,
Stop.
you piece of actual shit. Come on.
this thing is
Stop.
aggravating.
Okay.
The physics are not quite
actually,
right.
that
they are right.
worked quite well for
They're
me.
perfect.
Come on! Yes, I made it over.
Weirdly, like there's no friction
Nicely done.
and it's very floaty. It's
And
perfect.
Shelly, I see you improving over there. I see it
Tell
happening.
anyone.
I won't. Yeah.
Not trying to improve. God, I'm terrible and salty about it.
Ready, set, go.
Oh, I didn't make it there.
Yeah, hit me.
He likes the pain.
Oh,
Oh, I tried to shortcut
That's
over there.
the way, but not
stop
to
hitting
over
the
there.
fence, my God. Can't even get around the first fence.
Nope.
Nope. That's not smart.
In the drink.
That's not smart.
No. Okay.
It's
Very
like the
forgiving hole.
It is.
Jeez.
Oh, well. Get excited, guys. It's not going to be pretty.
You gotta hit that gigantic red
Balloons are a little.
I mean, I've understood that
Okay.
concept. Can I do it, though? I mean, please.
It's more impressive
Yeah.
that you ever were able to dodge it.
I don't know how balloons
What,
are.
then I could have
going.
dodged it? Please. If I can figure out how to, like...
You can do this shot. It's a straight shot. You've got it.
But the ball moves. That's not
It
normal.
never stops moving.
Yeah,
Why
I
doesn't it
totally-
stop
I
moving?
don't
That's
know.
very rude
I
of it.
totally agree with you, Natalie. It's
That's
not
not
okay.
how golf works.
Wow, y'all tied for number one? How is that possible?
On the strokes.
Ready, set, go.
Are you trying to say that you won, Tyler, in the end?
I think so. Oh! My goal is to hit every single wall 7 times.
Slew. No, dang it.
Almost made it work.
Gotcha that time.
Almost.
Stop! Roll. Oh, okay,
You're
that'll
gonna
work.
get first
Fine.
in strokes in.
Roll me
so
that
that's
way
always
then.
good.
You jerk.
Slew hates water.
Yeah, okay. I don't know where we're going!
Yay! Nice one.
Excellent.
I took 10 shots. Why is it knocking this off? Why is it giving me a handicap? I didn't ask for that.
Oh, you completed it. Alright.
Oh, it's well.
Well
in the
done.
world.
Why don't I get a
Were we
participation
recorded for all of
trophy?
that?
Hopefully.
Hopefully that was recorded.
Let's
Yes.
go back down. We've only got 10 minutes till we leave.
Okay.
I mean, y'all can.
You guys can play another round.
Let's,
Me and my
let's
excellent
stop the
skills.
recording. Slew it.